Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Butterman, and this is the CDOCS tip of the day. I'd like to talk about one of the more useful features of the software, the virtual articulator. This comes in really handy not just with multiple restorations, but with single crowns as well. And it's a feature that's often not used in the software. One of the issues that can come up with the virtual articulator, though, is once we activate it, we sometimes see a warning message about a penetration between the restoration and the opposing jaw. So there's a problem that can occur if we just say yes to that and accept that there is a penetration, and we go ahead and take a look at our models and set everything up and proceed. We can sometimes be fooled with what the software tells us. Now, we can see here that there's lots of data in the way, and sometimes that can create a false penetration, and our occlusal compass can be wrong. So it's really important that we eliminate any potential penetrations, and we do that by cleaning up our models. So if we go to the Edit Model feature and we just use our Cut tool, we're just going to remove any of the floor of the mouth, any of the lip or cheek, anything that could potentially get in the way and cause a penetration issue. A really common area for this to happen is on the upper arch, distal to the second molars. We can sometimes have part of that cheek and it's sitting above the plane of the occlusion. And that's something that can absolutely cause a penetration issue that we have here. So simply by cleaning up the models, getting rid of any of the data that we don't need, generally will solve those issues. Now we're just going to move the model just a little bit just to reset our virtual articulator and our model access step. And now we can just get our new proposals again. And we'll be able to see that we didn't get that penetration warning this time because we cleaned up our models properly. And if we turn on our occlusal compass and look at those same areas that were really high before, we can see that we really didn't have any sort of a penetration. We really didn't have any sort of an interference. So had we adjusted those interferences previously, we would have put these crowns in hypoocclusion. So it's really important that if we get that error message that there is a penetration when you're using the articulator, don't just accept it because all bets are off. You probably won't be able to trust what the articulator is telling you. So it's going to be important to go to Edit Model, use the Cut tool, and just clean up those models and eliminate any of those penetrations that the articulator found. I hope this information was helpful, and if you would like to see more, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.